In this video, I will show you how to remove any apps or website that are logged in using Facebook account login details. So let's get started. First, when we open the Facebook app, we need to click the profile icon on the right side top on this screen. Next, in this menu, we need to click Settings tab. And again on this screen, we need to scroll down to this section, which says Your Information. And here, we need to click Apps and Websites tab. You will find all the apps and websites that have been logged into with Facebook account in this screen. Here, I have logged into a lot of websites and apps with my Facebook login credentials, but almost all have expired. They no more are active, except one. GenCraft, which is yet active and logged in with my Facebook account logins. To remove, we can click the Apps tab that says Active. And again, we need to click Remove button in this screen. We need to again confirm removal. And done, the Facebook login has been removed from the app. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.